This is Bob from Trade Genius. It's the 5th of December. I have to go through a few charts on this absolutely crazy market day. And I want to start with JJG because, I got the whole thing started here with Trade Genius talking about the ags. And I'm going to go and show you this right here was the day that La Nina became official. And so when we had the negative ONI. And I've been telling everyone since I started talking about this is that the La Nina, the food prices will at least double from the producer end, if not more. And so it's been a really choppy climb. But if you look here, is that, lower low, double bottom, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are 6 higher lows. And so, what I'm looking for here now is for it to break out of this 950, 960 area and for it then to really take off. But we're long again. Our stop is here. And for those who are trading it, like I said, I'm just long and sitting. And so just keep an eye on it. And then to dovetail with that, here's corn. Here's wheat. And here's soybeans. Okay. And so China is buying up all the soybeans wherever they can find it. Now they're down in South America buying, and they'll be back into America again very soon. So just keep an eye on that. A trade I missed, but it looks like it's going to come back to us, might be bull flag in 02, is MOS. And I'm likely to, hopefully I can get it down here, but I'm likely to buy MOS here again in the next day or two. I missed the gap up. I didn't want to chase it, and but it looks very good. And like I said, the ag chems are really going to rock it during this this La Nina phase, cold weather phase. And we'll go to UNG. This is a big move. And so I'm looking for some pullback here before the next move higher. The weather's cold and getting colder, but this is a 40% plus move. I think from 7 to 9 is 7 to almost 10, 650 to almost 10. Yeah, 35-40% move here. So it's pretty good off the bottom. We caught about 60% of this move, and but now I'm long UNG with sold calls. And I'm going to just play that until it comes back down again, and then take my sold calls off and let it run up to the next level. Let me see one. I want to show you that's not on my watch list. This is nitrogen. Okay, it's just a really high price stock, but the food input costs are going to go up, and so food input costs are going up. Oil's up, natural gas is up, and grain prices are down. It's not a recipe for farmers expanding their acreage, and so something's got to give, and I think it's going to be food prices up. Looking at GLD, it was a very disappointing open, but it clawed it way back, pretty big. It made a lower low though. Now we needed to get a reversal here and play. Like I said, I'm long IAU, and I have a stop in already set. You can look at it online, and if you're a subscriber, and we're just going to sit on it. And I'm expecting GLD to come back up to that VWAP here. And we have SILJ, and that broke through VWAP. May come back to test it from the top, but I think the miners are already anticipating. We bought SLV today at 1590, and we bought SLW today as well. And so we're expecting at least a tradable bounce here on all the metals and miners. And looking at Biotech, which I'm short, I think it continues to fail. And so I've already overbought here. And so as long as this thing doesn't take out today's high, I'm looking for it to come back. There's big gaps here to fill, and I'm looking for them to fill them here sooner than later. And then also on the real estate side is that I'm short real estate too, and it's getting overbought, and so I'm looking for that to go down as well. So that's how I'm positioned: short real estate, short biotech, long metals and miners, long ags, and I'm actually long volatility too. And it was looking good on Friday, but today was the weirdest day ever. We had a move in the VIX that was 20 times the move in the ES. And to me, that just smells of capitulation. And I'm looking for the VIX turn right back around and come right back up again. I mean, this is just craziness, from almost 15 to 1220 in one day. It's just crazy moves in the VIX. But we're pushing down pretty hard here, and I'm thinking it's the people are skewed pretty hard short on volatility right now, and I'd hate to be on the wrong side of that thing when that mountain explodes. I mean, you could see some of these moves, boom, boom, and then I don't have to show you the January one. I mean the July one. As you can see, if we could come back farther again, boom. So, these moves are they could be violent on the long side too. So anyways, Bob from Trade Genius. I'll be back at tomorrow. I'm expecting the week to be bearish, so we'll see how that plays out. And that's how I'm positioned right now. Thanks. Bye.